Crude oil WTI has erased all the gains after achieving 77.8 levels and now is back at the support at 76.5, which is a good support for it to break further down. And NG, after giving a gap yesterday till 2.25, has recovered till 2.36 but has also eroded the gains there. So now what to expect for these two, which position you should take, how to trade these two, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. We'll try to find out the entries, the exits and the take profits as well. Do listen to it carefully, do like, share, subscribe and comment and do watch till the end. First we'll look into oil followed with NG. Let's start. Also remember, pressing the bell icon will keep you updated with the next release for these, and the next release is going to be before the US session. Do watch that also. Now look at the hourly charts for crude oil. It was trading, it has retraced a bit. After retracing a bit, now it is trying to give a breakout here. Now I will wait for it to break below 76.4 levels. Now see, first 77.4, then 77.8. I have always I have always reiterated and emphasized on these levels. Now once again, these levels are showing strong indications, and yes, once again, if you see it trading below 76.4 today, you can sell for 76, 75.5, and below that we may see it dropping sharply. Now see what has happened after this sharp drop. This is what the retracement, and now again it is trying to take a shape. Only good bearishness will be seen once it trades below 75. Directional movement here is bearish. Stochastic has come to oversold levels. The MACD is again crossing over for a sell entry. It is looking down. It can try to show you stronger drop. RSI looking down, and if you look at 2-hour chart, on the 2-hour chart, similar is the observation, and yes, 77.5 is a good resistance for now for today. Rather, you can say also this is the support zone, and hence that is why I say below 76.4, yes, you can initiate a sell entry there and expect 76, 75.5 and below levels. So in between 76.4 and 77.4, do not take any entry now. Directional movement is divergent and bearish. Stochastic looking down, indicating little weakness. The MACD is on the verge of a bearish cross. Let's see if it does, because this crossover is happening at a sub-zero levels here. That is what is important. RSI is looking down, indicating little bearishness. And look at the 3-hour chart. Now see on the 3-hour charts, after retracing a bit after the drop, it is once again trying to take a shape, and there will be a pull, there will be a stronger pull once it trades below 76.4, which will pull it down till 76 and below levels. That is the only safe sell entry today. Below 76 only we may see it is trading for 75.5, and below that a sharper drop will take it further down. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic looking down. The MACD is also trying to cross over for a sell. RSI is at comfortable levels but near to bottom. Now look at 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour chart, the idea is simple: drop, retracement, drop. Now again it is trying to take a shape, and this time once it sustains below 75.5, we may see it dropping and accelerating till towards 74, 72 and below levels. Now look at the 4-hour charts also. Lower highs are seen and possibly lower lows, means 76 at least can get achieved, and in fact we can see further lower levels here. Directional movement is divergent and bearish. Stochastic has seen a little drop. The MACD is trying to cross over for a sell. RSI looking down. But see, whatever movement is happening on MACD is happening below sub-zero levels, which means the downside is there but limited, probably before retracing a bit on the upside again. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily chart, certainly I have told you several times, 77.5, 78.5, the 20 and 50 period moving averages are going to give it a very good resistance. You have to remain watchful of this. And also there is a crossover between the 20 and 50 period moving average. These are divergent. This is indicating little bearishness. So today once it draws below 76.4, you can sell for 76, 75.5, and this time if it draws below 75.5, almost 74 is certain. Now see, previously we have seen 74, 75. This time also it will try to drop below 74 till 72.4. Now again it is going to be back at these levels. Now see, this is also forming head and shoulders here on daily chart, and this time once it drops below 74 and then 72, it is going to give you accelerated bearish move. We can see a sharper drop there, but then we have to be watchful here. Directional movement is bearish, trying to converge. Stochastic has seen a drop, it is trying to recover here. The MACD has crossed over for a sell entry. This is divergent, this is bearish. RSI is trading at bottom. Considering this for the day, you can sell at 76.4 and buy at 77.4 levels. Above 77.4, again 77.8, 78.2, and then 78.8 levels will come into picture. Beyond that, 79.5, $80 levels can be expected. On the downside, yes, you can sell here at 76.4, but then 76 and 75.5. Only and only if it trades below 75.5, we can expect further bearishness, accelerated bearishness, and then 75, 74 zone. This is the stronger support which will come into picture. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop. Now let's have a look at net gas, and before we proceed, yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profit, you should join my mentorship batch. The 20th batch starts in first week of February. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at net gas on the hourly chart. Now on the hourly chart, see one bottom, two bottom on the hourly charts. After forming the bottom, it is retraced and also it is breached past the next resistance at 2.35, but then 2.36 is holding it back. Now see, it is giving you, it was trading bullish here, then re-raised the gains and forming the bottom somewhere here. It is trying to reverse again. Now remember, you can buy at 2.32 levels, expect 2.3436 and then 2.4 levels. This is what we can expect if it continues to trade bullish from here, because see what it is trying to do, it is trying to trade in this bullish channel. It means there could be a possibility of a rise till 2.38, in fact 2.4 levels. So yes, you can buy here, but look at the hourly charts in near term. It has shown little bearishness. It is trying to show you a reversal, and hence 2.305 through 2.32 levels is a very good level for you to take a buy entry and expect it to rise more. And yes, if you see it trading below 2.28, you can sell for 2.26, and then below that a further sharper drop can be seen. Directional movement is bearish here. Stochastic is oversold. The MACD trying to converge, crossover for a sell. RSI trading flat, trying to recover a bit. If you look at 2-hour chart, now looking at 2-hour charts, yes, double bottom is seen. Yes, retracement is seen. But on the 2-hour charts, it is trying to break this trend. One red reversal here, one bigger red candle, couple of retracement, and the second red candle. So yes, once you see it trading below 2.28, you can sell for 2.26, and below that a further drop can be seen there. And about 2.32, certainly we can expect a rise. So in between 2.28 and 2.32, we are not going to take any position. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is trading oversold. If you look at the MACD, this is crossed over. This is trading with a slight bullish bias, and this crossover is happening at a bottom. It can continue with this bullishness for a little while. RSI is also trading at bottom. If you look at 3-hour chart, on the 3-hour charts, drop, retracement, drop, again trying to trade with slight bearishness, but then you have to be watchful in between 2.28 and 2.32 levels. Similar observation, directional movement is bearish here too. Stochastic is oversold. The MACD has crossed over. This is trading with little divergence, and this crossover is happening at a lower levels. There could be a possible recovery from here. RSI is trading at bottom but has come out of the oversold zone. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, after trading outside this bullish channel for a little while, it is back again in the zone here. Now in order to trade bullish, it has to again break past 2.35 levels here. So certainly about 2.32 you can buy. Now let's have a detailed look. Directional movement bearish, stochastic looking down. MACD is on the verge of a crossover. This is a bullish cross. RSI trading flat and near to bottom. And if you look at the daily charts, now see, next candle on this chart is yet to appear. This is only a carryover from yesterday's movement. It has tried to break out of this bearish channel again, trying to look upwards, trying to retrace a bit. and hence once you see it trading below the zone, see 2.28, very important, and then below 2.26 levels here, certainly that will be call for the bears out there. Till the time it trades about 2.26, we have to be watchful. Directional movement is bearish here. Stochastic is extremely oversold and hence a little recovery cannot be. Yes, when the new candle appears, we'll see how it moves. Probably it can try to show you a little recovery here. The MACD trying to converge, crossover for a sell. Again, RSI is trading oversold and hence there are more signs of recovery than the drop here. But again, we have to be watchful as NG can show you good swings. So considering this, yes, you can sell at 2.28 and buy at 2.32. On the upside, 2.34, 2.36 and then 2.4 levels are going to be the critical resistance level. Till 2.4, do not consider it that it is trying to reverse. On the ups, on the downside, you can sell at 2.28, but then 2.26, 2.24, and then 2.2 levels will be seen there. 2.24, be watchful of below 2.24, where we can see accelerated bearishness. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signal channel. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.